Magandang buhay! Andito na naman ang Tita Tech nyo to discuss with you the latest protection plan of AIA Philippines, giving you maximum protection for life. I'm referring to a maximum protection. We call it AIA Max Protect. AIA Max Protect is a traditional participating whole life insurance plan with bigger life coverage, with bonus potential dividends, maturity benefits, and additional comprehensive riders that the customer can choose from to amplify their protection and preparation. So you can max protect your life with AIA Philippines. As said, AIA Max Protect is a new whole life plan from AIA Philippines. It has a guaranteed 200% of life coverage and a guaranteed 200% maturity benefit. It has also bonus potential dividends. You can also customize your plans with your choice of additional comprehensive benefit like accident, disabilities, critical illness, medical, hospitalization, waiver of premium, payer's term benefit, payer's benefit on disabilities, and death. So you have also the ability to customize your plan with this added benefit mentioned, payment terms, and even the base amount depending on your budget. So if you are interested with this product, you can message me and we'll help you get one, or you can get in touch with any AIA life planner to get this plan. I am also connected with BPIMS Insurance for your non-life insurance requirement. And for your HMO, I am also connected with Medicard. And for the Medilink and Network Inc., this is applicable for the corporate requirements if you have minimum of 5 employees. So get in touch with me and I will be glad to help you. Thank you for watching and God bless.